How to modify or expand a video on Sora AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Sora.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to modify or expand a video in Sora AI, go ahead and tap on the activity option on top right of your screen and further tap on the video that you want to modify or expand. Once you have the video, go ahead and tap on the edit prompt option you see there at the bottom and further make the required changes to your prompt depending on the changes you want. For instance, if I want this video in the night sky instead of the sunset, then I will make the changes accordingly. Simply generate your prompt depending on the changes you want and further tap on the send button in order to generate the video with the changes you made, and with this, your modification will be done. You can also use remix or blend tools at the bottom. Sora allows you to remix an existing video with a new twist and blend multiple generated videos into one. And if you want to expand your existing video, then imagine you are describing your next scene. So tap on the edit prompt option again, and for instance, to my existing prompt, I will add, in the next scene, suddenly a snow leopard comes out of nowhere. So the gist here is, if you want to expand your video, add in the next scene that comes right after your existing prompt and further generate the video, and with this your video will be generated with the modification and expansion. So this is how you can modify or expand a video on Sora AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.